Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an omelet for breakfast. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a small nonstick pan, and a reliable spatula. Don't forget butter or oil for cooking, plus salt and pepper for seasoning. Have any desired fillings, like cheese or chopped vegetables, prepped and ready to go. Now, let's get those eggs ready. Crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely combined. Next, place your 6 to 8 inch nonstick pan over medium-low heat. Once it's warm, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or a small amount of oil, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. It's time to cook. Pour the whisked egg mixture into your hot pan, tilting it gently to ensure the bottom is evenly coated. As the edges begin to set, use your spatula to gently push the cooked egg towards the center, allowing the uncooked liquid to flow underneath. Continue this for about 1 to 2 minutes until the edges are set, but the top remains slightly moist. Almost done, now's the perfect time to add your favorite fillings. Sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of cheese or any other delicious additions onto one half of the omelet. With your spatula, carefully fold the other half over the fillings. Gently slide your beautifully cooked omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately and enjoy your delicious homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.